Time now for Retire Right KC. Alan Becker is here today. He's the founder and president of Retirement Solutions Group. You know, life does have a way of throwing us curveballs, and there's no doubt that will continue once we hit retirement. But Alan, we all want to be prepared, or at least as prepared as we can be. How can we do that?
Yeah, I mean, you got to learn how to hit curveballs, right? At least you do in baseball. So what we're talking about here is when we build a retirement plan, we look at three buckets of assets. We have a growth fund, we have income, and then we have safety. When we're talking about curveballs, a lot of times what we're looking at is that safety bucket, right? This is the money that's there. And I like to look at it as everybody tends to have an amount in their account that if the number falls below that, they get real uncomfortable. It's like, ooh. So, you know, I like to say, let's say the number's $20,000. If your account got to 15, you start getting uncomfortable because 20 was really your zero, because that's where your emergency's at. What we want to look at is have somewhere between 6 to 12 months of money that you can get to in case something happens. Loss of life. We're talking about unemployment, just a curveball that you can't control. We want to make sure you're prepared for it.
All right. And speaking of preparation, you've brought something with you today, especially for our viewers. Tell us what that is.
Absolutely. I have a phenomenal team at Retirement Solutions Group, and they've put together the Retire Right Toolkit. The centerpiece is my book, Return on Investment, or Reliability of Income, The True Meaning of ROI in the Golden Years. And this is the second edition. There is packed full of guides that you can use to get ready for your retirement, and we want to make sure it's available to you.
It is, and it's all for you today, complimentary. Those guides, they touch on the biggest retirement topics facing you today, including healthcare, taxes, investments, income, Social Security. Again, you can get that right now. Simply call, click, or text. Use the QR code, and the team will get that right out to you. And that's this week's Retire Right KC.